A common misunderstanding is that moon industrialization delays Earth restoration. In reality, the opposite is true. Both processes are designed to run in parallel, not in sequence. While the moon is being prepared, Earth restoration is already underway. The first 3 years of moon development are planning-heavy and infrastructure-heavy. That same 3-year window is ideal for large-scale planting on Earth. Bamboo, mangroves, and fast-growing forests do not require advanced technology. They require land access, labor, and coordination. Those can begin immediately. So while robotic systems are deployed on the moon, soil systems are being rebuilt on Earth. This overlap is not accidental. It is the stabilizing mechanism. By year 3, moon extraction is accelerating. Earth planting systems are approaching maturity. By year 5, moon industry reaches stable output. Earth biomass systems reach peak absorption. At that point, 2 things happen simultaneously. First, Earth begins to reduce mining pressure. Second, moon production begins to replace critical material supply. This is the crossover. Earth industry contracts where damage is highest. Moon industry expands where damage is 0. The transition is smooth because it is gradual. No sudden shutdowns, no economic shocks, no labor collapse. Jobs move instead of disappear. Earth labor shifts toward restoration, logistics, and monitoring. Moon labor shifts toward robotics, systems control, and transport. Capital follows certainty. Once investors see both curves rising together, risk collapses. This is how civilizations avoid collapse, not by choosing one solution, but by synchronizing multiple solutions in time. The moon does not replace Earth, it buys Earth time. And Earth restoration gives meaning to moon industry. This is not escape, it is coordination.